So for this recipe, we need 3 big tablespoons of sifted cocoa powder along with 3 big tablespoons of sugar, but you can increase or decrease the sugar according to your sweetness taste. We need a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of peanut butter, but that's optional. And we also need a pan. So we're going to start by adding our 3 big tablespoons of sifted cocoa powder along with our 3 big tablespoons of sugar. Now if you think that your syrup is not sweet enough, you can always go ahead and add more sugar according to your sweetness taste. Now into the pan and onto the stove. Add 1/4 cup of water. So now just keep on whisking and make sure that there are no lumps or chunks of cocoa powder left there. Your syrup should be silky smooth. So just keep on adding water and mixing until you achieve your desired consistency. You can keep it thick and use it as a frosting, or thin and using it as a topping. So as you can see, I was just mixing and adding my water, and now going on to the 1 tablespoon of butter, and butter makes it silky smooth actually. Continue mixing, and as you can see, I have already achieved my desired consistency, and stop adding any more water. I have used a total of 1 3/4 cups of water. If you want a syrup thinner than this, you can add more water, and if you want it thicker, you can just reduce the amount of water. Now if you do not have peanut butter or you do not like peanut butter, skip this step because this syrup is already very delicious without peanut butter, but because I wanted a pinch of peanut and I like peanut butter, I thought to add peanut butter, and it definitely makes it more better, but you can just skip this step. So as you can see, my syrup is now ready, and I'm going to pour it just to show you how it is silky and how it looks. Remember that your syrup should be free of any lumps because you do not want a chunky or lumpy syrup onto your cake. So if you can see here any chunks, these are not lumps, basically they are just bubbles. My syrup is very silky and yours should be too. Now this is very yummy and extremely, and I bet you would love it as well. Just go ahead now and add it onto your cake. It is a very good syrup, and without chocolate you have done a very good job. This definitely tastes like chocolate, but it doesn't have any chocolate. I hope you like this recipe. Make sure to try it and give me your opinions and comments on the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you again with another recipe.